The moment Anya and her friend stepped out of the airport, she felt something strange. The air was warm, the sky was wide, and her heart felt lighter than it had in months. She didn't know it yet, but this Goa trip was about to change everything. As soon as Anya and her friends came outside, a salty breeze touched their faces. Palm trees lined the road. Scooters passed by with loud laughter. Everything felt alive. Anya smiled and said softly, "So this is Goa." Her friend Ria laughed. "Welcome to freedom." They booked a taxi and sat close together, bags everywhere, excitement overflowing. Outside the window, colorful houses, narrow roads, and smiling locales passed by. Anya recorded small clips on her phone, but then she stopped. She wanted to feel this moment, not just record it. The hotel was small, but beautiful. White walls, a balcony, and sunlight everywhere. The room keys came, and suddenly chaos started. Who will sleep where? Who took my charger? Why is my bag on your bed? Laughter filled the room. For Anya, this noise felt like happiness. Without changing much, they rushed to the nearest beach. The sand was warm. The waves were gentle. Anya removed her slippers and walked slowly. The water touched her feet, and she closed her eyes. At that moment, all stress disappeared. The sun slowly went down, painting the sky orange and pink. Everyone became quiet. No jokes, no photos. Anya sat silently, watching the horizon. She realized how busy life had made her and how badly she needed this pause. At night, Goa looked different. Lights, music, and energy everywhere. They walked through small streets, eating momos, burgers, and ice cream. Anya laughed so much her stomach hurt. She hadn't laughed like this in a long time. Back at the hotel, they sat on the balcony with cold drinks. Someone talked about dreams. Someone talked about fear. When it was Anya's turn, she said quietly, "I don't know where life is going, but right now I feel okay." No one replied. They just understood. Morning sunlight entered the room. Birds were chirping. Anya woke up early. She stood on the balcony and breathed deeply. For the first time, she wasn't worried about tomorrow. They rented scooters. No experience. Full confidence. Wrong turns. Sudden breaks. Loud laughter. Anya was scared at first, but soon she felt brave. Goa was teaching her something. Don't overthink. Just go. In the afternoon, Anya walked alone on a quiet beach. Waves touched her feet again. She looked at the sky and whispered, "Thank you." She didn't know whom she was thanking, life, Goa, or herself. That night, as Anya lay on the bed, she realized something important. This trip wasn't about Goa. It was about finding herself again. And this was only the beginning.